Hey y'all, and thank you for stopping by Carolina Picker, and thank you for once again watching one of our videos. Hey, if you like our videos, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We're trying to grow it to help each and every one of you learn how to make money by flipping stuff on eBay. And if you like this video, be sure to like it and share it. Thank you very much for that. Listen, you're not going to believe what I was able to get from Goodwill, what I was able to find from Goodwill. We're going to talk about that and more after we go thrifting. But first, let's do a speed run thrifting where it's going to take about 2 minutes, and you'll see our whole day of thrifting in about 2 minutes. So you can either skip through it or you can sit through the 2 minutes and watch it as well. And then we'll go over each and every item that we were able to pick up there, and we'll go over the comps on it as well. So be sure to stay tuned for that. But for now, let's go speed run thrifting.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If it tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Alright, I hope you enjoyed that speed run, and I hope I'm not too washed out in this line. I'm kind of new at this whole YouTube thing, so I don't really have professional lights. I just have, well, I do have, I guess they're professional lights, but they're for taking pictures. I have this light back here that I can turn on, and I can make it brighter or darker for where I take my pictures. And then I have this light right here, which is just a, you know, it goes bright and dark. But anyway, hopefully it's not too bad. But let's go over and see everything that I was able to get. And then I'm also going to show you what I cannot believe that I was able to get at Goodwill. Okay, so here's a couple of things we got now I'm going to try to remember where I got them at Goodwill or the Salvation Army. Okay, but we'll see about that. One of the things I got was this 3-in-1 s'mores treat maker. I'll put a picture up. Well, actually, you're seeing it right here. This is actually already sold. The comps on it were about $32 to $35, and I took a best offer of $30 plus $8.50 shipping, I think it was. So this is actually already sold. I got to package it up and send it out. We also got these rollerblades at Salvation Army. I'll have to throw the comps up because I don't actually know what they are. This General Electric replacement Carfay at the Salvation Army. I got this jacket here. It's already listed as well, and I'll put it up here as well for you to take a look at. We got these pair of boys Sport Place It Sport pants. These are really nice to work out in. Got a couple of boys pajama bottoms, Spider-Man here. Got these ones, and we got these ones here. Now these both come from Goodwill. This one here has like a little awesome and cool and things like that on it, but these come from Goodwill. So did those other clothes there, the pair of sport pants and the jacket that I showed. I'm going to try to just pick up a bunch of shirts here. All this came from Goodwill. We got this shirt here, which is an Avengers shirt. I got this Spider-Man long sleeve shirt, and the cool thing about it is that Spider-Man kind of sticks out a little bit. It's like he's got a little bit of fabric or something behind him, and then the back of it's really cool as well. Shows it like that. Let's see here. Got a Minions shirt. This one also came from Goodwill, and you can see he's putting bananas in the pocket. This shirt here, I don't know if this shirt was made this way. My wife and I were having a debate about this. She thinks it's made this way. I think it's lint. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. Let me get it close enough to the camera. It looks like it has lint or something all over it, but she's saying it was made that way, so I guess it's made that way. Let's see here. We got this shirt here. It's a little cat shirt, cat face shirt. This one I think came from the Salvation Army. A little cat face shirt. This one here also came from the Salvation Army. It is a Old Navy shirt. We got this Mars Hill College shirt. For those of you that don't know, I'm in North Carolina, and Mars Hill is just above Asheville, just north of Asheville, north of Weaverville and Woodfin. This top for women. This is a really nice top here. This is an Alfred Dunner. These things sell pretty good online. The only problem with this one is it does have a spot on the back. Let's see if I can find it here. You know what? Maybe the spot's on the front. Nope. Well, where is it at on the back here? I know there's a spot on it, but I think it may come out in the wash. You know what? I can't even see it. That's how small the spot is. I don't even see it, but there is a spot on it, and I guess it'll come out in the wash. So anyway, let me know in the comments below if you wash all of your clothes or just leave it to the customer to wash them. I'd like to get some. I'd like to see what others. Sorry about that. I dropped one. I'd like to see what others are doing out there. This one came from Goodwill. It's a Minnie Mouse little girl shirt, Disney Minnie Mouse shirt. This one here came from. This one here came from Goodwill. Another Spider-Man shirt. This is another Goodwill Minion shirt. Also was able to find this at the Salvation Army, which is actually a really good deal. Got it for $3.99. It's a Baltimore Ravens Reebok, number 20 for Reed. Very good shape. Got a Kermit the Frog shirt, the Muppets. It's a vintage shirt. It is kind of faded out a little bit. As you can see here, the awesome part is faded out, but these sell really well. Got this at Salvation Army, paid $1 for it. Got a vintage Hard Rock Cafe shirt, New York. Goodwill, little boy's shirt, says there's no place like home. Little baseball shirt. And also at the Salvation Army I want to try a pair of these. Never sold them before. Well, that's not necessarily true. A long time ago I did sell some of these on Craigslist that I came across. But it's scrubs and size small. Got the pants here and got the top here. if I can figure out where the top of the top is. Got the top here. So we're going to try these, just try one set of them. Also at Goodwill found these Inceptor boots. I think they're more for like security guards, police officers, things like that. Man, they are in really good shape. Look at the bottoms of these. They don't look like they've ever even been worn. This is one thing I'm pretty excited about. This came from Goodwill as well. It's like a retro shirt. It's not a vintage shirt because it is a Gildan, but it's like a retro shirt. It's signed. It's signed by the artist. And the name of the artist escapes me for some reason, but I'll put it down on the bottom of the screen here. So that is pretty nice. That came from Goodwill. I want to say this was $4.99. Now, to the two things that you've been waiting for. This was not clickbait on the title or on the thumbnail. These two items here I cannot believe I found and got at Goodwill. The first one I'm going to show you a record player. This is brand new, still sealed up in the box. Brand new record player. Still sealed up in the box. I'm going to put the comps up here in the corner and you are going to be shocked. You're going to be shocked at this. I paid $6.99 for this. And the other thing I'm excited about is this right here. This Head Mouse Nano. It appears to be brand new. It's not sealed in the box, but as you can see here, everything in it is still sealed and still packaged. It's all still packaged up. It appears to have never even been used. And the reason I'm excited about this is because not only will it help somebody out, because if you have limited mobility with your hands or your arms, you place this on top of your monitor or your laptop or whatever, and then it uses your eyes to move the mouse and click on the screen. The only comps I could find on this on eBay was one other seller sold one about 3 months ago for $400. $400 they sold this for. I haven't decided yet what I want to list it for. I will probably list it at $2.99, maybe $3.49, and then let offers come in. You won't believe what I paid for this. $6.99. Folks, you got to go to Goodwill. You got to go to Goodwill and you got to look around. $6.99 I paid for this. So this should at least pop out $300. At least, if not more. Okay, so this one I'm really excited about. So that's our haul that we got from a day of thrifting, as you can see there. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed that speed run thrifting. That was pretty quick, a quick 2 minutes, but that was all day for us. Although I cut out a lot. I just took out the most, or left in the most exciting parts where we're actually showing stuff. But hey, if you like this video, please like it down there. That shows YouTube that I'm doing my job and I'm creating content that is useful and helpful and people enjoy. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please click the subscribe button and don't forget to click that little bell because it lets you know every time I upload a brand new video. Okay, so I enjoyed being with you today. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for sticking with me this long. I'm all new to this YouTube thing, so I'm trying to get better at it. So hopefully as time goes on, I'll get a little better and a little more better and a little more better. Is that a correct way of saying that? I don't know. I'm just a country hick. A little more better. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this, and I appreciate you sticking with me until the end here. And be sure to check out our other videos. And listen, thank you all, love you all, and we'll see you on the flip side.